Hello friends, today in this video let me show you how to check if CDC is enabled on a table in SQL Server. So CDC is nothing but change data capture, right? So for that what I'll do, I will show you multiple queries to do this, and I have written those queries in my SQL Server Management Studio already, because if I'll start writing those queries it will take more time. So what I thought, I will write the queries and I will try to explain there, and I will execute those queries and show you the exact output what we are getting here, right? Now I have also written an article on this particular topic. I will put that article link on the video description. You can go through that article once and copy these queries if you want to use this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to SQL Server Management Studio, where I will show you all these steps to do this. Okay, now let me go there. So you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio. I have also written those queries also, and before that I will show you that these are my databases that I have already created here, right? So what I'll do, I will try to see the CDC is enabled or not for some tables that I have already created. You can able to see it here under this test database, right? So you can able to see the database is test here, and if I'll expand that, I have some tables that I have created already, right? So for that tables, say this is Azure USA, and for that we are going to check whether that CDC is enabled or not. You can able to see it here. Select name is underscore tracked underscore by underscore CDC from the sys tables we are trying to execute, where name equal to the table name, right? So let me just execute and we will see what is the output we are getting. You can able to see what it is telling. For Azure USA table is tracked, is underscore tracked by underscore CDC equal to 0. That means it is disabled. If it will return you 1, then it is enabled. Okay, so this is the query to check whether CDC is enabled uh, for a specific table in SQL Server. Okay, now another query also I have written. I will just show you what it will do. It will give you all the tables that you have, okay, along with the status of the CDC is enabled or not, a complete list of tables in your database. So if you'll see here, what you are trying to tell here is select t.name as table name, as.name as schema name, and t.is underscore tracked underscore by underscore CDC is for the status of the CDC, right? From sys.tables t, join the sys.schema s on t.schema underscore id equal to s dot schema underscore id, order by s dot name and then t dot name, right? So this is the complete query, guys. Let me just execute so that you will get the clarity, right? You can able to see it here. We got the list of tables that I have here, right? So you can able to see all the tables it gave me, including the system tables as well, and it showed us the schema name and the CDC is enabled or not, right? So for all the tables it is 0. That means the CDC is disabled for all the tables, because it is actually disabled for the database label itself. So that means for the test database itself, the CDC is disabled, and for all the tables it is disabled. In case it is 1 means it is enabled, right? So you can able to see it here. So these are the two simple queries you can utilize to check for the CDC is enabled for a specific table or for the complete list of table, whether CDC is enabled in your SQL server. So these are the two queries, guys. So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to check, or what are the approaches you can utilize to check if the CDC is enabled in your SQL Server table. And these are the two queries you can utilize for that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips and many more. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.